up, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in for another session. Today we just got three tickets, three $10 tickets. I picked up two of the 200 million cash explosion. It's been out for a while, but the top prize is $1 million. Not bad for a $10 ticket. And the brand new, kind of newish, the Monopoly 100 times $10 ticket. Haven't had a lot of luck with the Monopoly tickets, but hopefully this one ticket will turn it all around. But we'll go ahead and start off with the 200 million cash explosion. Got tickets number 24 and 25. So we'll start off with number 24. Zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. Basically, match your numbers to the winning numbers, get a money bag or a 20x, and win that prize. All right. Winning numbers. You guys can see that. Go ahead and start off 25, 37, 23, 9, 24, 22, and 28. So basically, if we get something that's not in the 20s, we're pretty much screwed. All right, let's go. 7, 17, 21, 39, 11. Hope we get a money bag or a multiplier. Have never hit those before on this ticket. 12, 2, 26, 14, 34, 35, 13, number 8, 19, 36, 4, 10, 27, 29, 16, 31, 6, 32, and last but not least 38. So nothing on ticket number 24. So we'll move on to ticket number 25 and hopefully we'll have a little bit better luck. And these tickets started off pretty hot for me and then they kind of cooled down pretty bad. So let's see if we can change our luck. All right, winning numbers: 21, 16, 4, 6, 30, 12, and 22. All right, let's see if we can get a money bag or something. 14, 34, 17, 27, 11, 37, 31, 29, 7, number 8, 24, 36, 10, 39, 38, 25, number 9, 26, 40, 13, last row, number 2, 35, 28, 18, and last but not least 15. So both of the 200 million cash explosions, we came up empty-handed this time. Tickets started off so hot for me too, and it just kind of cooled down. All right, moving on to the Monopoly 100 times. Match your numbers to the win numbers. Reveal a 10x for 10 times, 20x for 20 times, or a 100x for 100 times. We got ticket number 23. So we had 24, 25, and now we got 23. So winning numbers: 39, 50, 45, 7, 59, and number 9. 28, 23, 30, 58, 60. They always give you those one-offs, man. It's rough. 38, another one off. 29, 47, number 1, 15, 32, number 2, 33, 52, 31, number 6, 48, 18, 37, 49, last row, 43, 11, 44, 14, and last but not least, 19. So not a winner, but we did pick up some second chance entries, so hopefully those will bring us some luck. But yeah, unfortunately guys, no wins today on the Monopoly 10x or any of the 200 million cash explosions. Thank you guys for tuning in for today's session. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below and hit the bell next to it to get notified of when new videos come out, usually daily. And on your way out, if you could hit that like button, I would definitely appreciate it. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you thought of the session, and I will catch you guys later. Thank you guys for tuning in. Everyone have an awesome day wherever you are. Bye guys.